What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We finna do some deep fried, well, not deep fried, y'all. Pan fried portobello mushrooms. And they so good. This is a restaurant that we go to when we go on our hunting trip up in Macon County called the Parrot Tree. Food good, y'all. Food good. But anyway, they got this on their menu. But anyway, y'all, let's get it.
So check out our ingredients. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. So first thing we want to do is take our portobello and go ahead and cut it up into half-inch pieces and spread it out on our cutting board. So let's go ahead and rain on it with a little bit of this salt. Kosher salt, y'all. Kosher. And we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. And while that's sitting, we're going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Give that a good whip. In the second bowl, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of cornmeal. And we already have a 1/4 cup of cornstarch in this bowl. And we simply going to mix those together. Now that cornstarch is going to give you that extra crispy bite. Oh yeah, yes it does, y'all. And then we're going to add in our Uncle Steve shake, the bomb. And then we're going to mix that in thoroughly. Now this is a tablespoon of Uncle Steve shake, y'all. Tablespoon. Now once that's all mixed together, we ready to go ahead and start our dredging process. We're going to start off with our flour, of course. Now see, that salt is what's helping that flour to stick to that mushroom, y'all. If you don't pre-salt it, you won't bring that moisture out that mushroom, and then that flour don't really want to stick. And once we get it into our flour, of course we're going straight into that egg, y'all. And you want to make sure that your egg is coated well, just like this, y'all. Just like this. And then into our cornmeal and cornstarch mix with that great Uncle Steve shake on it. Oh yeah, that Uncle Steve bring that flavor, y'all. Once we get it coated real nice, time to get into that oil. That's veggie oil at 350 degrees, y'all. Now the cooking time on these is around about 4 minutes. You know, always depending on how thick you cut them. But about 4 minutes is a good starting point. So about halfway through, we're gonna go ahead and give them a flippy flip. Flippy flip, yeah. Now after you get that golden brown, it's time to get them on out, y'all. Get them on out. Take a look at those fried portobello mushrooms, y'all. Oh my goodness, don't they look tasty? So let's go ahead and try one. Now this is my sweet pepper sauce. Oh my goodness, always on point, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.